Recently, India became the fourth country in the world to have its own independent regional navigation system, recognized by International Maritime Organization as a part of worldwide radio navigation system. Now in this video we are going to talk about IRNSS. So what is Indian Regional Navigation Satellite System? Well, it's an independent regional navigation satellite system which is developed by ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. It is designed to provide accurate positional information service and also to assist in navigation of ships in the Indian Ocean waters. So basically it's going to help the people of this country. It is going to provide critical information relating to location, navigation of ships in our Indian waters. It can replace the US-based global positioning system in the Indian Ocean standing up to 1500 km from the Indian boundary. Now India has to rely on US-based global positioning system, which has to be ultimately removed because again it is very critical for the security and safety of a nation, of our borders in particular. Now what does this recognition matter? Now International Maritime Organization is a United Nations specialized agency. It's a body which is responsible for safety and security of shipping and also in prevention of maritime and atmospheric pollution by ships. So all the ships which are in the ocean have to be regulated and they follow the navigation through these satellites. Now the recognition is a part of WWRNS, which is Worldwide Navigation System recognition. The IRNS is similarly placed as that of GPS and GLONASS by Russia. So Russia has its own regional navigation satellite system called GLONASS. So unlike the GPS, IRNSS is a regional and not in global navigation system. So this system will only work for India, for our own country. We don't have to share it with someone, or no other country would be able to use it apart from our country. Now let's talk about another important aspect, which is how can we make use of this regional navigation system? Now the system is open to all, including the security agencies, Office of the Director General of Shipping, all merchant vessels including small fishing vessels. Vessels that have transponders installed in them will be tracked by the satellite navigation showing accurate position in the Indian Ocean region. Now many of the export and import that happens in our country is being carried out through ships, and this regional navigation system will help these ships to reach to their destination and give exact location. So it will be very important for our country to locate these ships and track them so that in case of any mishappening, proper recourse could be taken. Now why IRNS is necessary for India? Now over-reliance on one navigation system like GPS cannot be safe. And Indian Meteorological Organization has also encouraged countries to design International Maritime Organization has also encouraged countries to design their own navigation system. It helps in gaining control over geopolitical activities inside and near the borders of India. Commercializing the regional navigation system in future could help earning foreign exchange reserves to India. Now since it's a localized and a regional navigation system, this is certainly going to be a great advantage for a country because no other country could use it. In future, this could be used as a revenue base or a source wherein our neighbors can be given access and they can also locate their ships in their region. So this is going to be a great discovery, and We should really appreciate our scientists who have done this great achievement for all of us.